Hi guys, today we have an iPhone 11 Pro here which doesn't want to turn on. By looking under the thermal camera, we can see a heat spot which comes from the other side of the board. So now we have to separate the board halves. First remove the foam around the FPCs. Put the motherboard on the preheater and set the temperature to 185 Celsius. Help separating with a little bit of hot air from the top. Carefully remove the upper board with tweezers. Remove the lower layer from the preheater as well. By inspecting the upper layer under the thermal camera again, we can see a capacitor lighting up. Put heat-resistant tape around the area and remove the capacitor with hot air. Apply some flux. Apply solder to the pads and remove any residue from the old capacitor. Apply some flux to the tinned area and solder down the new capacitor using hot air. Clean the area with a brush and some PCB cleaner. Take the logic board from the holder. Connect it to the DC power supply. Connect the screen and front flex cable. Boot up the phone using tweezers. Apple logo appears and boot up behavior looks normal. Cover up the screen to avoid showing personal background images. Phone fully booted up and touch is working fine. That's it for this repair. Thanks for watching.